Greetings of the day, dear students. We are going to read a poem today. The title of the poem is My Only Cry Close the Arms Factories. It is composed by Leela Ibrahim Salmon. I am reading the poem and then I will explain it. Who are you deceiving? You ask me to speak to children, but I shall also address you, the grown ups. I am still a child. I don't know how to lie like you. All the children of the world, oh, adults of the world, could not rebuild what you destroy. A better world won't be able to be rebuilt without you, the adults. You know that our cries are useless in a deaf world. Now, my friends, let's not talk of friendship, peace, and fellowship. These words should be spoken by adults. Enough promises, enough waiting. Come, everyone. Ask them to stop making arms, to stop making wars break out, to stop telling lies. Listen, listen carefully. We are sick, you are sick, but we are here. So, in your name, we children, we ask them, close your arms factories. And think about taming the winds. Right wing politics matter little to us. We are children. Left wing politics matter little to us. Our life is essentially a faction, but through your fault, a veil of dust lies over it. This poem is without rhyming scheme, so it is called blank verse. The title of the poem says that my only cry close the arms factories. Here a child is addressing the adults and appeals them to close the arms factories. The child is the speaker in this poem. Here my refers to child. Cry means an appeal and arms means weapons. The child appeals the adults or grown ups to close the factories where weapons are made or manufactured. The child appeals the adults to close the arms factories for the sake of coming generation where children can live free from fear of destruction. The poem starts with a question. Who are you deceiving? Here, the child is asking the adults who they are deceiving, cheating, or misguiding. He wants to address the grown ups and say that he doesn't know how to tell lies like adults because he is a child or he is innocent. He says that whatever is destroyed by the adults cannot be rebuilt. A better world is not possible to be rebuilt without the help and cooperation of the adults. The cries or appeals of children are not heard in this world because it has become deaf or insensitive. The child says to his friends that they should not talk about friendship, peace, and fellowship because they already know and understand their meaning. On the contrary, these words should be spoken by the adults because they have forgotten the meanings of these words and they do not follow peace and friendship. The children have already made enough promises and they also waited a lot. The child urges his companions to ask the adults to stop making weapons, to stop starting wars, and stop telling lies because they are suffering as well as children are also suffering in this disturbed world. He also appeals the adults to think about controlling the destruction. The children are not interested in conservative and radical politics because it does not matter to them, because they are innocent and their life is full of affection. Finally, the child says that because of irresponsible behavior of adults, their actions are spoiling the lives of children. The child means to say that the adults should bring peace and friendship in the world so that people can live in peace and brotherhood.